Okay, we're back looking at course materials, and the first thing I want to look at, the next thing I want to look at though, for this particular video, is this pre-test training post-test. So I'm going to click on it. Now here's the thing, all right? You have to do this pre-test training. What this is it uses, excuse me, it uses the MyITlab simulation to walk you through steps in a simulated version of MyITlab. So we'll wait here while it loads. And sometimes it takes a while to download, depending upon how much is in your how many people are in your on your network or whatever. Okay, now once you get it loaded, and it didn't take all that long, but then you're going to get a page that looks like this. So this is your Excel sheet, exactly the same way as Excel would look. Down here are your instructions. In cell A3, enter the text semester 1. A3. Okay, now when you press the enter key down here, it tells me I was correct, therefore it was fine. This over here tells you the number of attempts you have remaining on this particular attempt. And here, which you can't see because I believe the recording's cut off, there are 2 errors where you can skip it and come back. If you want to look at all the questions, you can click on the question list. Remember, we are in the pre-test mode. Now, let's say I don't get this next one right. I don't see this in cell E15, enter the value 0.03. So since it went that way, I just entered 0.03. And that's going to tell me it's an incorrect action. Now, it's not going to tell me what is correct, but it's going to tell me it's an incorrect action. So then I come down here and actually read the thing, and it says in E15. So E15. I verify that I'm in E15 by looking up here, and then I add 0.03, and it was correct. Okay? Now, in cell A4, enter the date 12/21/11. Alright, I'm going to clear the contents, and that means you have to come up here and clear all. And that's going to probably be incorrect. But we'll see what happens. No, it went on to the next one, so let me do it. ECEM December 21st, 2011. Okay, so that one's correct. In cell F7, enter a formula that will calculate the projected budget for semester 2. It's calculated by multiplying the actual semester 1 income by the semester 2 variance plus 1. Okay, so the first thing when you're looking at this, you say cell F7. There's my F7. Okay, this is my semester 2 projection. Okay, so I'm going to hit the equal sign. And I'm reading this as I go here. I multiply the actual semester 1 income. Okay, semester 1 income is right here. Okay, now I multiply it by the semester 2 variance times, here's my semester 2 variance, plus 1. And enter. Incorrect action. Okay? So that one was not correct. Alright, now I'm going to submit this because I want you to see what happens when I do this. So I submit it. Yes, I want to exit the assignment. Besides, I'm not going to go through and do all these. Okay, now, in order to get over to the post-test, you have to have scored at least 85%. I scored 12%. Well, since I didn't do most of them, I admit that. Okay? So, what I'm going to do here, I'm going to have to do all the training material. So what you do is you click Start Training. Now the training is going to look very close to what the pretest did. The difference are these two buttons. Okay? So I'm going to calculate by multiplying the cost by the markup rate plus 1. Alright, so if I don't understand what they want me to do, I can click here and I can click Show Me.
Click cell D5 and type $B5 asterisk open parenthesis 1 plus sign C5 close parenthesis. Press Enter.
Okay, do you see what this did? Now, not only will that tell me, okay, it will talk to me if you have your headphones on. It will walk you right through it for you. So I'm going to hit equals B5, I'm sorry, open parentheses, B5 times the markup rate in C5, I think this was it, I don't know if this is going to be right, plus 1. Okay, so it's still not right, so I still don't know what I'm doing. So now I click the hint.
Click cell D5 and type $B5 asterisk open parenthesis 1 plus sign C5 close parenthesis.
Oh, do you see what I did? I put the parentheses in the wrong place. Okay, so sometimes even though it shows you what to do, you actually need to do the hint, and sometimes the hint helps better so that you can actually see what it wants you to type in. Now, even though you understand what you're supposed to type in, you still have to do it before the hint will go away. Okay. Oh, I didn't hit equals, did I? Or did I? Equals B5 times 1 plus C5. Okay. Alright, now the hint is being difficult. Alright. If it gets difficult, and it's just apparently locked up on me for some reason, I click the reset button, which is right there.
Click cell D5 and type $B5 asterisk open parenthesis 1 plus sign C5 close parenthesis.
And I forgot, when you click the reset and you're on the hint, it still gives you the hint. So what you want to do is down here, and I apologize that you can't see them, but you click a button and you go forward 1, or I'm really locked up. Okay. Okay, no problem. We can deal with this. When we get locked up like this, this is as good a time as any, what we can do is we can hold down the Control CTRL key, the ALT, and press the delete key 1 time. It isn't not going to work. Okay, so the only way to get out of this is you're going to have to turn off your computer and turn it back on. When you do that, it's going to bring you right back to here. Okay? So I can't do that. So I'm going to end this tutorial right now. I'm going to pause it and then fix my computer and come back in. And we'll look at this question again. Okay? Okay, as you see, I'm back here on the training. Alright, so let's do a start training. And I had to come in, and when I when I first did this, it took me right back to the question that I had gotten wrong, which is this one, which it did. Okay, so it brought me right back to here. All right, let's try this hint one more time.
Click cell D5 and type $B5 asterisk open parenthesis 1 plus sign C5 close parenthesis.
Okay. Okay, and the hint is not working. Okay, all right, so we are going to skip this. That's not going to let us do that. It's going to let us bring up, okay, we're going to do a reset.
Click cell D5 and type $B5 asterisk open parenthesis